Having discussed the essential networking elements for our architecture, let's dive into the compute aspect. AWS offers a variety of compute solutions, but for the purpose of this workshop, our attention will be on the container-based applications. We'll concentrate on the Elastic Container Service, or ECS. ECS can be set up with either self-managed EC2 instances or with Fargate, which is managed by AWS. The choice between EC2 and Fargate will depend on the specific needs of the application. To deploy applications on ECS, your application must be configured to run in containers. A container is a standardized unit of software that holds everything that your software application requires to run. This includes relevant code, runtime, system tools, and system libraries. A Docker file is a plain text file that specifies all of the components that are included in the container. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.